Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the boost ready. Equip any level boost item and activate double XP consumables. Make sure you join a full squad or stable matchmaking to maximize shared rewards. Once done, set a main mission or control point in the nearest safe house to farm. Prioritize activities that award large XP chunks like story missions or legendary bounties. You do not need to grind low-value mobs. Focus on tasks that combine enemy density and objective completion for fastest. Next, optimize how XP flows. Rotate 2 to 4 high-reward missions without long downtime. Fast travel between safe houses to reset spawns and repeat. Make sure you accept and complete bounties and control point captures during mission loops because they stack well with boosts. Coordinate rolls, 1 clears, 1 revives, 1 extracts. This keeps momentum and minimizes wipe time. Also, use XP boost gear and consumables concurrently. Their percentages compound, so stacking reliably increases per minute XP yield. To finish, apply the level boost item at a safe house and immediately allocate skill and talent points while you have session stability. This prevents lost progress from crashes. Then spend salvaged resources to re-roll weapon mods and update gear score so you stay effective. If XP gains stall, try a quick relog, reapply consumables, or have players leave and rejoin the group. This often clears synchronization issues. If problems persist, restart your mission loop and verify boosts are active before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.